Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Wabin Fitria. I'm from Management Class D, Faculty of Economy and Business, Muria Kudus University. Here I will title the journal entitled The Roles of English in the Development of Tourism and Economy in Indonesia. Abstract. Tourism is very important to be developed to improve the economy in Indonesia. Therefore, various efforts shall be carried out to support the development of tourists. English language competence is one of the essential factors in improving the tourist industry. This study was conducted to thoroughly study the roles of English in the development of tourism and the economy in Indonesia. Interview and open questionnaires were conducted to honor of the selected tourist industry in Bali to collect the data. Based on the result of the analysis, it was found that English plays a very important role in developing the tourist industry. Employers who can communicate well in English can support the development of the tourist business, essentially in broadening the sales program and providing more efficient service. Therefore, the study employees and tourists selected holders should continually enhance their employees' English language competence by conducting educational English program. Introduction. The advancement of communication technology and opened international market has increasingly made the development of market and economy, and without barriers, it has been agreed and the business language between countries in English. English, the tourist sector, is not only in the depth for workplace communication, but also for international marketing. With respect to international marketing, English language skill are very important to have in order to be able to communicate internationally. Without having good competence in English, it might harden to compete in the global market. Indonesia has Americans who have both the opportunity and the challenge to survive and complete this fast-paced era. Human records are an important key to winning the global competition. Indonesian language with its first and uniquely national language needs to be balanced with English with its unified language in the national words. This is naturally to increase capacity in the economic and business sector. Although English has been introduced since early education until the university level, it is, however, English is still considered a difficult language to master by most Indonesia because English is still considered a foreign language. However, nowadays there are many training introduced and English courses that to be assigned to improve the ability to communicate in English. Especially those who work in the tourist industry, mastering English is very important. The application of the English or specific purpose in the for tourist promotion program can be format to offer training or course for workers. English is one and the key in play involved in success in improving the tourist sector and the national economy. Indonesia society can no longer operate in because English dominates all aspects of life in communication. English is recognized by foreign countries and the official language of international relations in the field of technology, economy, education, politics, social, and in the field of the tourism industry, Indonesia and has great potential and diverse countries activities. It is many tourist definition with various tradition and cultural festivals. Indonesia has vast territory, makes the industry rich with its natural potential. Tourist destinations offering from beach liquors, traditional communities of the people, culinary delights, and so on make it favorite place for both foreign and local tourists. All those natural records could be developed sustainably for the growth of the tourist industry. The tourist industry in Indonesia has proven capable of supporting the people economy, and now its existence is very much needed and is one of the important sector for earning for exchange and increasing government revenue apart from oil and gas. For this reason, the government should continue to increase its resilience policies and encourage the development of tourists to further develop the people economy and achieve strategies between income and equalization of job opportunities. Encouraging regional development, incorporating natural resources, and developing cultural arts towards the tourist industry. The development of the tourist industry to support the people economy is important to be intensively development because the development of tourist activities enable people to travel in the context of their business to meet new needs to achieve more prosperity than the original states, and their travel have an influence on economic life. It is not merely for the economic growth in the country, but also indirectly affects the life of the world economy. The development of so countries' structure cannot be separated from human life, especially regarding social and economic life. The progress of the tourist industry occurs in line with the openness it has occurred in various countries which encourages people to travel to others continues to carry out various activities including tourist trip and business. Therefore, it is really clear and tourist development has an important role in encouraging economic activity and gaining Indonesia image, improving people welfare, and providing expansion of employment opportunities. This role, among other things, is so by the contribution of tourists to the country's foreign essence earning generated by foreign tourist visit. This brings excellent income for the people and diverse employment opportunities. In addition, tourism also play a role in encouraging national identity and encouraging public awareness and pride of the nation cultural readiness by introducing tourist products such as richness and equiness of natural and museum, art, and for tradition and other cultural activities. Moreover, quality of service is required to gain customer satisfaction. Several studies have been conducted considering the loss of tourists toward the growth of the economy and also the importance of English in communication. However, the studies were mainly investigated tourists and English in the tourism industry. They were based on the previous studies and the phenomena described above. This study aimed to extend the role of English in the success and the tourist industry and the growth of the economy. This study is considered to be important to the concept to travel exiting rules on the English language in the tourist industry and the growth of the economy. Methods. The present study made use and qualitative research design with descriptive analysis, a qualitative approach processes of data from the context of the event differently and effort to describe the event according to their reality. which means making the various events coherent and possible and involving participatory perspective in there's various events. The data collection in this study was carried out outdoors, interview and an open questionnaires. Interviews were conducted with tourist industry owner in Bali. The interview were conducted in semi-structural interview and in the relation condition to reveal real existing phenomena related to the roles of English in this tourist industry. Moreover, the open questionnaire was constructed using open question on or open-ended question that must be answered honestly so that these research can provide a real pictures of the important role of English in the world of the tourist industry and the improvement of the community economy. Data obtained from the interview were matched with the data from the open questionnaire. The open questionnaire was structured in such a way that the data collection provided more in-depth data on the important role of English, the tourist industry, and important the economy. The data collection were categorized according to their respective categories the analysis throughout the data and education step. The result of the analysis of the data obtained from the interview was triangulated with data obtained questionnaires. It is done so that the data found in the research are able to provide a truly real pictures according to actual situation. The presentation of the data in this study was carried out descriptively and then varied to obtain valid and reliable findings. Result and discussion. Tourism is one of the industries that really support the economy of the people in Indonesia. Many others industrial sector depend on the development of the worlds of tourism. The role of English is very important in the world of tourism because almost all tourist activities use English as a medium of communication. Therefore, tourists were required to be able to speak English effectively so that they can play an active role in the development tourists so the people economy can be managed and developed. In this section, data relation to the role of English for tourist and economic improvement are presented descriptively and argumentative. With first found in the field, this study used interview and open questionnaires to collect the data to figure out the roles of English the tourist industry. The summary of the data of the present study can be presented as the following. The role of English language in the tourist sector. The tourist industry in most of the means integrated the economic progress of the community both locally and globally, and cannot be denied the tourist industry, the economic sector that has a very fast growth compared to the other economic sector. Many jobs from the tourist industry have emerged stemming from the activities of providing accommodation service, restaurant, tourist service until the service business have succeeded in helping the government to reduce high unemployment. The rapid development of the industry tourists bring understanding between cultures that the interactive of tourists with local accommodation in tourist area. Interaction is where tourists can get to know and respect the culture of the local community and also understand the background local culture embraced by the community. Tourist activities can potentially have future effect and big work. Nowadays, the development international market have reset Indonesia in various industry and business, including the tourist industry. The country of Indonesia is rich in tourist attractive that are so exciting that it has become of the destination for both the domestic and international tourists. The government has also begun to aggressively development tourists by breeding tourist spots in their respective regions. The development of the adequate and standard facilities and infrastructure is a comfortable place to be visited by visitors. The role of English in improving the economy. All industry owners in Indonesia have recently raised the importance of English for improving the community economy in line with the development of the world in information technology, where the market is more open with a more effective communication system with other countries where English is used and the communication medium. With the ability to communication in English, people become more creative in marketing their product, including products. The creative economy, which conceptually generated economic growth, especially increased income and job creation, encouraged the involvement of various parties to take part in increased tourism and the community economy. Therefore, English is a prime necessity to be able to develop their business in a highly competitive market. Based on the data collection through interview and open questionnaires, it was found that English is one of the most important part is the success of various business, where English is one of the pillar in building communication network with various people in the world. In communication, although it's needed that can validate the course of communication, therefore it can be summed up the data tourist sector plays an important role in increasing income community, as well as local government revenue in this where tourists visit from within and from abroad, for the government shall otherwise continue to provide service and employment facilities and infrastructure infrastructure so that the tourist sector can still exist in the future. In this duet, to the first, the tourist business become an important industry in strengthening economic growth both locally and globally. The authorities shall continually support and development of the tourist industry to improve the economic growth by providing supporting policy toward the tourist development, improving structure and infrastructure service, and easing the administration for tourist development activities, and additionally sufficient training program including English language training should the provided to all tourist workers and future tourist workers. Conclusion. Today, technology development it has led to change in several sectors. One of them is the tourist sector, which of course must always be ready for the time the demand to provide new breaking courses so that they are attractive to be enjoyed and used as the main cause as a supporting aspect from the learning on the economy, social education, politics, business, and others. The tourist industry currently has several main and supporting elements so that the product presented are condensed with the wishes that have been planned. In this case, tourist actor must have a strategy in developing and making tourist product feasible to sell to all victors. To be successful in all tourist business, English communication skill is highly important to be mastered by all worker and business owners. This study implies that continual English language training is very necessary to ensure that all job seekers and workers are able to communicate effectively in English. Thank you.